morning, guys, and welcome to our live at Burnie Bosch. This seems to be just where we live at the moment. We had a great day yesterday. If you missed our previous episode, we went and saw Philosopher Falls. I forgot the name of it. Philosopher Falls, and I think it has to be my favourite walks or favourite waterfalls in Tassie because absolutely stunning. The walk itself is just...
Definitely go there because it's had a bad rap because of the whole Celine's thing, and it's like everyone thinks it's a dreaded, horrible place.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. But anyway, we are back. That was our last. We thought we'd travel out to Waratah, have a bit of fun out there before
for the weekend.
Yeah, why don't you come sit down and so you can say hello to the guys. Come sit down here.
I can't get in there.
Yes, you can.
Squeeze.
Van life, eh? There we go. Yes, so we thought we'd go out to Waratah, have a little bit of fun out there before we had to come back and get the van looked at again. So what's happening with the van? The van is almost fixed, guys. It's almost done.
We think it's an electrical issue.
We were thinking about it yesterday. Tim came up with an idea of maybe something that may be wrong with it. He needs to go in and talk to Heath this morning and sort of converse with him to see if that could be the problem. Maybe that's another fix we can look at. So we're going to go in there today. Hopefully it doesn't take too long today, but you know, it is what it is with vans.
Well, we want to get him to look at the brakes as well.
We want to get him to look at the brakes as well. So that's our plan. But you'll bring you with us today. We're heading somewhere else this afternoon and looking forward to that. So stick with us, guys. We're going to have some fun.
I don't think our bank account's going to have fun.
No. Okay. It is time. It is 8:30 on the dot.
I am hopeful. It's the perfect night, that.
Hey? An all too familiar scene. Heath isn't in yet. We will wait out here. I think we're a little bit too keen.
Yeah, we're too keen. We're like, Monday morning.
Yeah, we'll go back in. It's Tuesday, it's not Monday.
Tuesday? Yeah, well, it's Monday for us.
A few minutes later.
Okay, take two. Let's go.
Right here.
Hopefully, I haven't seen him arrive, but you know.
Yeah, he might go in through the back entrance.
We're keen. You could do, yeah. All right, so the problem we thought it was, I think it's that, but he's going to have a look at it. We need to get our brakes done and stuff, so it's going in. So it's going to go and sit in the waiting area for a while. Cross fingers, it doesn't take too long. We'll pick you back up when we leave. Yeah? Well, we have left Burnie. It's not night time, so that's positive.
Good. That's a positive.
It's just early afternoon.
Although it's not fully positive. It's
not. So
we're going to need a new master cylinder on it. So we've got brakes, just not very good brakes.
So the problem that was the boosting problem. That's exactly what you talked to Heath about. That's what it was. It was this wiring issue.
It's just a wiring issue that got sorted quick.
That's good. Got him to check the brakes, and yeah, we're going to have to come back another day to try and get that.
Hopefully the part will be in tomorrow.
Hopefully, cross fingers. That does mean we're kind of stuck around this area for a little while longer.
Yeah.
I mean, this wasn't the plan. But sometimes, I'm so glad we got to do that walk yesterday. That's all I'm thinking about. It's like,
yeah, that was such a nice walk.
I know, but now well, guys, the view that I've got at the moment is pretty nice, actually. What river is this? I don't even know.
This is Somerset. We're in Somerset. This is Leven River? Or is it not? Let's have a quick look. I'm just going to look at... Please hold.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we need a few things done to the van, so we can afford to get a few things done tomorrow when this part comes in. But then we're going to have to wait.
Cam River.
Where is it?
Cam. C-A-M. Cam River.
Yeah, then we're going to have to wait until... a few months down the line to get... What's the expensive thing we need to get done?
We've got a fuel pump that's... The high pressure fuel pump's got a slight leak on it, and it only ever happens when it's cold. As soon as the engine gets hot, it stops. To replace that, it's $2,500. So we've got to save up for that.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. We do have money coming in, as you know. Tim will be flying away for work soon.
We just got to budget it.
Unfortunately, you didn't get to see much when you were back here because we're stuffing around with this thing the whole
I do.
time.
I get to see the money leave.
Yeah.
The money I put in goes.
I do try and budget pretty well.
No, but you do budget really well.
I do
actually.
put aside money for van maintenance when we get paid every time. But
we've used up that budget
we've
now.
used up the limit.
So now we've got to use up. We've got to save up a new one.
But
Well, the tyres were $625.
Yeah.
So that was a big chunk.
Anyway, we'll get them done eventually. It's just one of those things. I mean, this is life on the road.
You'd spend this money on your house if you had your house. If your boiler broke down, you'd be spending thousands on your boiler. If your AC broke down, thousands can be to replace your AC. So
can I see you at all?
it's small things. Now I'm on wide angle. I'm over here. You can't miss this head.
I'm not even sure if you're in half of that shot. Because you're sitting all the way over here and I'm sitting... Anyway. Yeah. But you know what? We were thinking, it's just to put a positive spin on this. What a place to be stuck, you know? Like,
It's
what
not
a
a
place
bad place to be
Oh,
stuck,
yeah, we're
no.
stuck around this area. We're looking at a beautiful river. We've got the ocean out there, which is absolutely stunning. There are penguins that are meters away if we want to see those.
There's still a few about. I saw one walking across the car park the other night. So
I'm sure we'll be able to find something to do tomorrow, I think, if we don't get called in.
I'm hoping we get called in tomorrow because I'd like to get it done so that we can actually go somewhere that isn't
We'll try
here.
and find something close, or maybe we'll just hang around. I don't know what to do. What would you do, guys? Would you disappear or hang around or what? I'm not sure
The most convenient place to stop would be Kiwi Beach, but we can't because of Little Man, and that's literally across the road from the garage.
I don't want to pay for any more
I could just camp there, phone us up, we'll bring the van over in 10 minutes.
Oh, guys.
Now, Midway Point would have been the second choice, but that's paid for $15 a night now, and it's like, well, we're watching pennies at the moment.
Well, we should take the guys for a walk. I think, look at this river. It's really, really pretty.
Yeah,
We pulled over just to find out where we're going tonight. And I was like, oh, wow, this is pretty nice to hang out through the day. Let's go show you. It's pretty cool. Now, how gorgeous is this river? It would be nice with the sun out. But down here is the ocean. We came across this strip bridge here to find somewhere to pull off. And, yeah, this is where we ended up. Not bad, eh, Tassie?
It's not bad.
He jumps over. Oh, Pablo, you're so funny. He actually stops and he waits at these things and then he jumps over them. We're only at a little bridge. I guess he's a little dog, I suppose. Ready? It's okay. Come on. Pablo, come on. It's all right. Ready? Jump over.
You can do it.
Goodbye. He's excited, proud of himself when he gets funny. We just saw this little opening here to get down to the beach. Just want to see if we can take Pablo down there. There must be a sign, so we'll have a look. Come, Pablo. Come, mate. Right, and we're off. And jump. Oh, he's getting some steam now.
Run and jump.
How pretty is that?
It is really nice, actually. Just a
Just
beach
for a
just
beach
there.
next to a real busy city. Not bad. I can imagine that water is fairly...
I'd say it's fairly chilly.
Yeah.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now.
It appears I did not wear the right attire for beach running.
Yeah, we turned into a little riverside walk and it's turned into a full beach combing. So I think we should go back to the riverside walk again.
Should we go back? I think we've got a plan now for where we're going to go.
Yeah, because the part isn't going to turn up for a couple of days. So we're just going to head west.
Yeah, the part's not going to come up. We just got a phone call. The part's not going to come for a couple of days, so I think we're going to head west.
Yeah, it's got to come over from the mainland.
So we're going to head back and get moving, eh?
It could be worse. It could be coming all the way from Germany.
Yeah, it's coming from the mainland. It may as well come from Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah, as we were saying on the beach, I think we're going to go to Smithton. If you've been with us for a while, you know that we love this campsite. It's called Tall Timbers.
Tall Timbers,
and it's out near Smithton Way. You can stay there for
72 hours.
Is it 72 hours? I'm going to say 4 days, but yeah, it would be, well, it makes sense. 3 nights, 4 days. And it's just really pretty. So yeah, instead of hanging around in the city, we're going to chill out in the country.
Let's get out of there and chill out and calm down for a couple of days.
I think we need it. What a spot here, actually. I have to remember it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.
Good morning, guys. Sorry we lost you yesterday. We that drive was only an hour, but it felt like ages. I think it's because we had a long day sitting at Bosch. We're just sitting in the car just like... but when we got here, we parked up in our favourite spot. We actually managed to get a favourite spot under this tree. It's so cool because in the summer we can get the sun here to get all the solar, but yet you can come out here and sit in the shade and enjoy this beautiful tree which is now dropping loads of leaves in autumn. It is absolutely stunning here. Now we've been to Tall Timbers a few times and it's normally packed with campers, but look at it now. There is nobody here. There is actually another caravan's turned up. So there's only this caravan, us, and these people here who are just about to leave, and that's it. That's the extent of it. It's one of our favourite stops in Tassie. Definitely, if you're coming to Tassie and you're coming out Stanley Way, please stop here. It is fantastic. I think I've told you in a few episodes before that not only do you have this wonderful area to park in, but you've also got a hotel that's close by which has toilets. There's a laundry in there as well. It's fairly cheap. There's a bar. We were sitting in the bar last night just having, well, not drinking. We were sitting there having lemon lime bitters. They had the fire on. It reminded us a bit of Maina, that sort of vibe where you turn up at a hotel but you can stay, you turn up at a hotel to stay in your van, but you can actually sit by the fire in a nice warm spot if you need to. But it's just fantastic here. It does close in winter, which I'm gutted about. It closes on between the 1st of June and I think it's the 1st of September. Well, the last is, anyway, it's September, around September. But it closes in a couple of weeks, which I'm sad about. So I'm glad we came out here because I didn't know that. And but I can understand because the ground is can get wet and it's already starting to be a little bit spongy, and I just love this place, guys. I really do. We are having a bit of a catch-up day today, but we have got to clean out the van because what we're going to do tomorrow is we're going to do a video about storage in the van and stuff like that. So we really need to do a proper clean out so you can see, properly in there. because at the moment all of Tim's stuff sitting in the corner. We've got heaps of stuff to go to Vinnie's or wherever, Salvation Army, and we've got stuff sitting everywhere. So we kind of need to get rid of all that stuff. So we're going to go into town and get that stuff sorted. But I'll show you what I mean. Oh, he's at it already. Good morning.
Good morning. I was
Yes.
just tidying that up because
As you can see, guys,
we
look
bought
at
a
this.
massive bag for all that stuff to go in.
Yeah, we
It's all got to
Tim
go
needs
back.
to take all this stuff back to Brisbane, and we've got a bag here, if you can see at the back here.
It's an 80-litre duffel bag.
And we need to put, oh, I almost knocked over a coffee. We need to put like most of this stuff in there, stuff to go to Vinnie's and just tidy this place up, ready for the storage sort of look around, because I was going to go a natural sort of look, but I'm like, it probably does need a
The
bit
thing
of a
is, we
tidy
need
up
to
anyway.
go through it anyway.
No, we need to get rid of before
And
we
the
go to
one with
Vinnie's.
the toaster drawer, the toaster drawer, it's got crumbs everywhere. So I'm not showing you that anyway.
No, we need it. We've bought something to fix that. Yeah, so we need a big clean out. We're not going to drag you through all of this again, but we will.
We'll show you how we store everything, and you probably want to know what's in all of these boxes and drawers and cupboards and everything. So we're going to show you.
Yeah, I mean, it's one thing doing a van tour, but there's another thing actually seeing where people put things, what clever storage ideas have they discovered, because we've been on the road now for 990 something days.
Yeah.
So we've adjusted and we've changed things. We've discovered like cute little things that help us. If sometimes it's not about the big items or the big cabinets, sometimes it's about those little things that help you just on a day-to-day basis. And we've got a few little things around that we can show you that maybe that might help you in your van life. Yeah, so we're going to do that video tomorrow, so look forward to that. Make sure you click that bell so you won't miss it. And I guess we'll see you there.
Yep.
See you tomorrow, guys, when you get to see the ins and outs of our van.
The nitty-gritties.
The nitty-gritty.
the stuff that's hidden. It's like the Wizard of Oz. You can look
Don't look behind the
Don't look
curtain.
behind the curtain. It's like
But
all
but
sorts of things
tomorrow,
going on.
you'll see behind that curtain. Peace, guys.